This newly emerged footage captures just one of many similar moments in Türkiye from 6 February when nearly 100 seconds of tremors hit the country. In Afşin district of Kahramanmaraş, the moment a building collapsed in the second earthquake of 7.6 magnitude, the epicenter of which was Elbistan, was reflected on the security camera of an LPG station. The footage shows the panic of the employees and the moment the building across the station collapses on the earthquake. Security cameras of a gas station in Malatya's Doğanşehir district recorded the aftermath of the 7.7 and 7.6 magnitude earthquakes, with epicenters in Pazarcık and Elbistan. Footage reflecting the severity of the disaster, citizens fleeing in the district center and cars being shaken by the second earthquake are seen.